we're going to perform lab exercise number 3, part B. And these are the things we're going to be using today. Of course, the lab manual. We're going to use some cabbage juice. And how I've made this is I've actually taken a head of red cabbage, and I put the leaves in some water and boiled that down to make this purple colored juice from the cabbage. Okay, we're also going to be using, of course, some vinegar and some baking soda. I have a lab scoop, of course, test tube rack, and then, of course, the test tubes that we're going to test our substance in. Okay. If you'll turn to page number 22 and 23 in your lab book. On page 23, first of all, I want to draw your attention to the pH scale. You'll notice there that the pH scale runs from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Now, in your textbook, it states that human blood is from 6.35 to 7.45. And the thing is, if your pH falls out of balance due to metabolic processes or respiratory processes, then if you fall outside of the 3.65 or below that, you're going to be dead. And then if you actually fall out of the range on the 7.45 higher than that, you're going to be dead also. So it's very important that we maintain a balance in the pH for homeostasis. Now, other types of body fluids can range in pH. So for example, urine. Urine has a pH range of from 4 to 8. So it has a great range in the pH scale. All right. Vaginal excretions are going to be on the acidic side, and then of course semen and sperm is going to be on the alkaline side, and those are going to balance each other out when they come together. So it's very important that we maintain a specific pH for certain things in the body. So today what we're going to do is we're going to test, in part B, we're going to test pH using the cabbage juice. So if you'll look on page 22, I have already prepared the cabbage juice, which is on procedure B, is number 3, part A. I've already done that. I've also labeled the 3 tubes, one with water, one with vinegar, and one with baking soda. I've performed part C by placing 2 ml of cabbage juice in each one of the test tubes. So now we're going to go on to part D, and the first thing we're going to do is add 2 ml of water to the test tube. Of course, that is labeled water. All right, let me do that for you. There is 1 ml, and there is 2. So now we're going to actually shake that up, and you'll notice it has actually made it slightly lighter, okay, than the original concentration of the cabbage water. All right, now then on the vinegar, let's add the 2 ml of vinegar. All right, we're going to shake that up. This is a pink color. And then, of course, we're going to use baking soda in the third one. So I'm just going to scoop a little bit of baking soda into the test tube. Look a little bit more. And we're going to shake that up. And you'll notice it is like a blue color against the white. Okay, so let's compare all 3 of those. The water, which is neutral, 7 on your pH scale. Vinegar, which is acidic, usually runs around like 2, 3. And then you've got baking soda or sodium bicarb, which is usually around 8 or 8.4. Okay? All right, you can record your test results on page number 26 in your lab book. All right.